Chinese radicals are used to index the characters in dictionary. Every character has one radical. Why do I need to learn Chinese radicals? Learning radicals is beneficial since they contain meanings. Most Chinese radicals are simply for categorizing characters, not commonly used. As a beginner, it would be nice to focus on the top 20 Chinese radicals because they cover around 40% of all Chinese characters. Characters with the same component but not the same radical exist. Here are examples for you to understand how the meanings of Chinese radicals work. 族 means food and 食 is to eat. There are two Chinese radicals, and I'll combine them with 包 rap. 包 rap works as a phonetic. 跑 is to run, and the radical is 足 foot, as we use our feet to run. 饱 means full, and the radical is 食 eat. 食 also relates to foods. After eating, we feel full. 饱 跑 饱 sounds similar and share the same. 包 on the right side, we add different radicals to make new characters. Do I need to learn the pronunciation of Chinese radicals? It depends. More than 80% of Chinese characters have semantic meaning and phonetic sound element. It's essential to learn common ones and learn some additional ones. As for the difficult ones, even native speakers might not know. It's okay to skip them. If you want to see the full 214 Chinese radicals, here's a video to watch next. Don't worry, I'll remind you of the top 20 Chinese radicals. See you soon. Bye bye.